Hi everyone, so this is my first video of this year 2025 and I will start it of course with SP500. As we can see so far, it's holding about this 100 EMA or about $5,800, and so far the dynamic looks good, but on daily time frame, but we should not forget that there are still resistance levels, and if I will put Fibonacci from this high to this low, we can see that at this area at around 5,995 and 6,032, it comes to this Fib levels. We have also daily FEG resistance level, right? And this resistance zone on Fibonacci. So it is very important if we want to see bullish trend continuation. For us, it is really important to see a daily close above these two levels, okay? And some retest of 0.618 or 0.5 Fibonacci levels, but not any, 4-hour, 6-hour, 12-hour, or daily close below this zone. In this case, the price will continue going up towards to this levels on Fibonacci. I will highlight it as this one and these two zones. So this is our first possibility. It is possible to see another thing. Sorry, let me go to weekly time frame. I didn't check. Yeah, a weekly time frame. We can see that so far it is holding about this 20 EMA. And yeah, either we will just consolidate and we'll have a breakout, and then we will do another new all-time high. Either if we go to daily time frame, the price will not manage to break above this resistance zones. Maybe it will still do some false breakout, and we will see a daily close below this previous high here, right? In this case, most probably the trend will decline and we will see a deeper pullback. So if you're watching this video, it's still relevant. We can still be prepared for swing short positions, but about altcoins I will talk a bit later. So this is first these are two possibilities. Either we will have next week a breakout above these levels and we will see a really strong bullish price action. Okay, so we see a breakout and we see another a strong green candles, like for example here, right here we see like how it did a breakout above previous high and continued its bullish trend. So same situation we can see here, and on daily time frame RSI so far looks okay. Still I would want to see, even if we will see a breakout here on the RSI, I would like to see a breakout above this 70 level, as for example here. Okay, so in this case it will continue going up. It will be more bullish for me. So yeah, and also we should remember that it's just the beginning of the year, and we can see a lot of manipulations next week. So if talking about what to expect next month, for example, I cannot say anything right now. For me, it's 50-50. for me, every week is really important. I mean, every weekly close. And of course, for me, will be very important to see a monthly close. Monthly close will tell me more if we will continue bullish trend or not, because I just have a lot of noise here. So I will go to this chart where I don't have much. So if we just talk about monthly time frame, as I said, it is 50-50. We can see something similar like here. For example, here we had one red candle, right? So if we see a monthly close above the previous high, or at least above 6041, in this case, the trend may continue. Okay, how far it will go, it is hard to say. As I showed you on this chart, it may go towards to this level. So yeah, it's approximately the same. If I put Fibonacci, right? So it can come here and reject. It can come here and reject. Okay. So these two levels are still very important if we will see breakout this month, January. Okay, like here in this case, the price will continue going next month, like February, March, maybe April, May. I don't know how fast the dynamic will be until these levels. Okay, so if we still have here a lot of resistance zones, for example, if we will not break above this level, or we will break, but it will be a fake breakout on a weekly time frame or daily time frame, and the monthly, this January close will be below this candle or below 6041. In this case, expect a February, March bearish, and the price most probably will come towards to one of these levels, or I have better here, towards to this zone, worst case, this zone. Okay, every level is very important. So this is why for me it's very important to see what will happen next week, then what will happen another week, how the monthly candle will close. Like January will tell us what to expect next month. So when I'm receiving like messages like, Vazira, what do you think, will we have another like dump on altcoins or in the market of, I don't know, 15-20%? I cannot say right now anything. Okay, this is first month, and a lot of depends on this month right now. And if we go to yearly candle, previous candle was amazing. So any pullback until the FVG level here is fine. Okay. Moment. Personally, I would like to see some pullback before any bullish trend continuation, because other thing is, if you go even to monthly time frame, I was telling about this already many times, and I have a huge video in Discord about EMAs, how they work. If you want, you can watch it again. It's an educational chat group. And if you're not in my Discord, then you're welcome to join. So yeah, just quickly, you can see here the huge distance between the price and EMAs. Here same huge distance between the price and EMAs. So I would want to see a nice pullback before any bullish trend continuation, because if the price will continue going up, okay, let's say this month, next month, the price will be this much higher. How much higher it is? Like 21% far from this EMAs, not 21, but approximately like 18, 20. In this case, trust me, the correction will be strong and not good. We may see something like this, like real long correction, or let me see if I will find something right now, or something like this, for example, here. You see, price and EMAs, they were super far from each other, and what did we have? This huge dump of 34% just in 1 month. I don't think it is something good to have. Because, or here, for example, 15% or almost 20%, because next month was also bearish. So 20% at once also doesn't look good in January. Or we can have something like this as well. You can see like EMAs and price here a bit far. Then we start to have first red candle, some long consolidation, before deep correction, 50%. So whole year, 1, 2, 2, my God, 3 years almost, there was a correction. Same, almost 2 years of correction. So you can see, right? I hope you understand what I mean. The far price from EMAs on a high time frame, the worse it is for us. Okay, the longer will be correction, or the fast, like too fast, like something like this, like a COVID crash. Yeah, so this was about SP500. Now let me talk about weeks. About weeks, this stuff that I was talking about is still relevant. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I was checking some time frames. Moment. Don't remember if it was monthly, maybe weekly. Yeah, I think it was weekly. So what do we have here? First of all, on the RSI, it's in the middle. So it is 50-50. For example, if the RSI will be above 50, then most probably the price that we see here on wicks is just it's a fake price action, I would say. So yeah, currently it's for me on weekly nothing. On a daily time frame, it can come to this daily FVG level, this zone, and bounce from here, because we can see that previously several times it was bouncing from this area. Okay, so I would watch this green box or this daily FEG level. Um, yeah, so far it stands as a strong support. Only if I see daily close below, then resistance zone, next resistance zone will be 12.8 and one of these levels. But I should tell you that each of these levels are very important to watch because, for example, here, when the price came to 11 point, sorry, 10.6, it went just a bit below of the level I highlighted. We had this crazy pump. Okay, here pumped, here was pumping, and so on. So yeah, right now market gonna be very tricky. I would say just don't be a moon boy or too bearish. Like it can also like also another thing that we can have is just a long correction, just long correction. Like the price will just play around, you know. So yeah, this is another possibility. So I will watch once the price come here. I will set an alarm. And yeah, the chances that weeks may come to one of these levels is still pretty high. As I said, if SP500 will reject from this area or show a fake breakout, in this case, it will drop. But personally, as I said, I would be happy to see, first of all, bearish move, like this new yearly candle to open bearish, to fill all the gaps, all FVGs, and maybe in 3-4 months to see a recovery in the market. So this was about VIX. Now we will talk about crypto market. I think I will continue with Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks also very interesting. As I said, it also depends on, well, as I say, always in the market we have a correlation, right? And if SP500 will show us a bullish trend, like breakout from this resistance zone and continuation to these levels, in this case, Bitcoin will break this resistance zone here. I have 102, 104,000 levels, and we have here weekly FVG. And if I put Fibonacci from this high to this low, then, and I will delete this to have less noise. First of all, we can see that these levels, they come not only to FVG level, but also to this Fibonacci levels, 0.75, 0.618. So this level is very important. Once the price come here, for us, it is important to see a weekly close at around this area. Would be nice to see above 0.75 Fibonacci level on weekly. Okay, in this case, most probably after some retest of 0.5, 0.618 levels, the price will continue to go up towards this level, or maybe towards one of these levels. Right now, the situation looks very bullish. Okay, it is good for us, because this month, next month, we will have a nice pumps probably on altcoins, but it will not be good if we're talking about high time frame, like monthly or 3 months, 6 months time frames, because as I said, if the price is too far from EMAs and if the time frame is too high, it means the correction will be even worse that we had like recently. So I would be happy to see longer consolidation or some correction deeper towards to $80,000. Would be really nice to see something similar here, what we had from March to September. This would be nice to see. But let me check what else we may have. Another thing, as I said, if for example SP500 is not managing to break above this resistance zone, in this case, Bitcoin will also reject from this area, $104,000, or maybe it will do just a fake breakout because it is crypto and it likes to show bull traps, so we may see some breakout on a weekly time frame, and the price, if we see the price is closing below this previous high or 108,000, of course if we see a breakout, okay, in this case most probably we will have a longer and deeper correction towards to these levels that I'm expecting to see. And another thing is Bitcoin is not doing a false breakout. It rejects right from this area. We have a weekly close below 0.5 Fibonacci level. In this case, the price will come to one of these levels, $86,000 or $82,000, or worst case 76,000 dollars. I have this area here. So this is if we talk about weekly, monthly. I don't like this candle, so that's why we may still have this bearish reaction from this area, and we will have some correction, like something similar here. Would be nice to see, like April, May 2021. This would be nice to see. This would be a healthy price action. Okay, now let me talk about Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, this scenario is still possible. Okay, even though on RSI monthly, it looks like it will come to 52 probably level. We make it like this because here we had support previous time. Here it was a level where it began its bearish momentum. So I would keep in mind to look on the RSI on monthly at 52 level. Okay, and yeah, here we still have this resistance zone at monthly FVG. Why do I have written monthly FVG? Okay, or this 50 EMA, 20 EMA, 26 EMA. The thing is why I'm still bullish, because this 20 EMA flipped above 50 EMA. This is very strong bullish sign. So that's why I still think that we may come to one of these levels. It's if we will have a correction this month, if the correction will start. Okay. Also, currently, if you go to daily time frame, I had this level here, FVG on daily time frame. So it came, it bounced right now, but you can see how EMAs are acting. So most probably that if we will not see on a daily time frame a recovery, like V-shaped recovery like this, and the percentage will not stay above this red box, in this case the dominance will start pumping already upcoming days. Okay, so right now it's hard to say if we are talking about daily time frame, or other way it may just a bit pump, reject somewhere here, and continue going down towards to this area, which I've been waiting already for long, and will bounce at around 53.8, 53.09, because here we have this really strong level because of the EMAs, even 200 EMA here on weekly. On monthly we have 50 EMA. If I go to 3 months a time frame, okay, here we don't have anything. If 12, we have this currently, this FVG level. And moment, just need to think. So yeah, so far this area for me is very important to see what will happen. I think it will bounce from here. So even if altcoins will pump for some time from here, like Bitcoin dominance may find a support and start pumping again. And also in this case on our side we'll come to this oversold area. So this will be like really bullish trigger where it can start its bullish trend continuation. But it's only if the dominance will hold below this red box. Okay, if for example today it will close like this and tomorrow it will recover and close above red box, in this case we will not see bearish trend on Bitcoin dominance towards to this area. In this case, most probably it will continue going higher, and this time it will break above this green box area and come finally to this area that I was expecting. And this may be bad for altcoins. About altcoins, I will talk a bit later. So this is what we may see right now about Bitcoin dominance. Like right now, today on the 5th of January, it's 50-50. We have still 6 hours for the daily close. If it closes below this red box, it's good. Alts will keep pumping. Okay, if it's not closing below and it shows us bullish signs on a lower time frame, it managed to close above this red box. In this case, Bitcoin dominance will keep going up. Now I want to talk about MicroStrategy and GBTC. It's also very important to look what they're doing because they have really strong correlation with Bitcoin, or Bitcoin has really strong correlation with this stocks. Right now it looks bullish. Okay, it came to this green box that I was expecting to see the price at this area, and we bounced. I will delete this one. This I don't need. So I have here these areas, and currently it looks bullish, and most probably it will give us a momentum near future. Yeah, and most probably the price will come towards to this area, 0.618 and 0.75 Fibonacci levels. And maybe from here we may see a bearish reaction. Okay, so whenever the price comes here, you should be cautious, better to book profits on Bitcoin, altcoins. And let's go to GBTC. I was expecting it to come to this green box, but it went a bit lower, almost came to this 50 MA, or it came to this previous low here. We can see. Okay, and like you can see that when the price came to 72.25 last time, it bounced. Now it also came, it bounced, but we have here also this FVG level on a daily time frame, and I have here this green box. And if I would just put Fibonacci, it also comes to this 0.75 Fibonacci level. So we need to see what will happen at this area on GBTC and what will happen. My internet's so slow. At this area on MicroStrategy. If GBTC and MicroStrategy, they will show bullish strengths. For example, we see our daily close above these levels, and next daily close also above these levels, some consolidation. In this case, most probably the price will continue going up. As here, as here. And this will be really bullish for Bitcoin. In this case, Bitcoin will go to 120,000 probably. Okay, this was about daily time frame. Let me check weekly. As you can see, it has the same pattern as Bitcoin, the same, just even this R size. Look. No, how can I? Just look at them. Look at them. What time frame it is? Daily. And here's weekly. Look how similar they are, right? Just same pattern, just same. It's insane. Even RSI. Oh, sorry. It was Bitcoin. Okay, here. Yes, even RSI. Look, here we had this bearish. Here, just the same. So that's why it's really important to see what's going on with GBTC and of course MicroStrategy. So let me turn on EMAs. Just quickly, I want to see high time frame, what's going on here. Yeah, would be nice to feel this area. Something like this. Not like that, but something like this. Because it's not good when the price is just too far from EMAs. Let's see. Yeah, here we have a longer wick. So let's see, let's go now to USDT dominance. So about USDT dominance, this is what I wanted to see, but on a weekly time frame, it couldn't break for the second time above 4.45 percentage. And currently we have support area at 3.96. This a green level. From what I see right now, it more looks like it will break below. And we'll come to this 100 EMA on a monthly. And this will be really strong resistance zone. Because first of all, the price never came, not the price, but this percentage never came to 100 EMA on monthly. Well, I don't see here anything. So this can be a strong trigger for the USDT dominance to bounce. Only if we will have a monthly close below this area, then it may just drop lower and lower. Just a moment, I want to see here what is going on. Yeah, but it's monthly. Let's say we have 27 days for the monthly close. Let's say if tomorrow or next week the USD dominance breaks below this 3.96 and it just drops toward to this area, we may expect a reshape, a bounce, which also means that most probably USD dominance on RSI will come towards to this 33, maybe 30 area, and it will just mean that the bounce will be so strong that it may bring us this kind of bullish trend, which may last very long. Like it will mean that this this dump can be the last dump before a longer bullish trend towards to this area. Okay, and this will mean, like, as long as USD dominance is pumping, this will mean longer. Let's say Bitcoin does this, and it will mean that we will have a longer bearish trend in a crypto, something like this, which is not good. That's why I say, like, for me it would be nice to see bearish correction or some just long consolidation now, like this upcoming months. Because if we will pump hard now, it means that in the upcoming months, most probably we will have just bearish. But again, let's just work level by level. So this is one possibility that the USD dominance just drops and bounce somewhere here, or if we go to daily time frame, it bounces from here and gives us a longer pump towards again this area. This is first resistance zone, yes, resistance zone, then this area. Okay, so we are watching what will happen. Yeah, also 0.75. What will happen today, how we will have a daily close, and how we will have a daily close tomorrow. If we see a bullish close, then most probably next week USD dominance will pump and Bitcoin will start its correction. Of course, with some fake breakouts maybe and some deeper correction. So yeah, currently it's 50-50. Let's see. Now, let me check total 3. So about this, as I was talking before, altcoins versus Bitcoin, it could held above 7.59 million price area, or above this gray box, or above this 200 EMAs. Like there are a lot of things that was telling us that this is a strong support area, and currently the price came back to this resistance zone. Okay, which means is that if on daily time frame we will not break today, tomorrow above this area, then most probably all the pumps that we had on altcoins, it will mean that we should open swing short positions and again have some correction on altcoins. Okay, but I will monitor this today, tomorrow, and I will always update it in a Discord. So if you're not in Discord, you're welcome. You can join and have early updates there and my full support as well. So this is about daily. Okay, so on today and tomorrow, we will see what will happen next week. Because just a second, let me. Okay. This price levels, they also come to this Fibonacci levels. And right now, the price rejected from almost 0.618. And if we see weekly close below this area, this Fibonacci zone levels, then it will be not positive for the upcoming days. Then most probably the price will still decline or just consolidate, chop. It's hard to say right now. If today, tomorrow we see, like weekly close, we see about 0.5, 0.618, then most probably it will continue going higher towards this resistance area zones at 10.76, or I will do this one lower, 11.87 million resistance zone, because here we have the Fibonacci levels, here we have previous resistance zone. So yeah, this is other possibility. And if, for example, we have a pump until here, then this area will be next very strong resistant area to break. So this will be the next area where we should look for shorts. But as I said, this can happen only if Bitcoin dominance will come here. Bitcoin will pump till somewhere here. Okay. MicroStrategy will pump till somewhere here. GBTC will pump till somewhere where it is here. And USDT dominance will drop until somewhere here. It should not be exactly be 3.42 or 3.41. Okay, somewhere this area, and we see this bullish divergence, or I don't know what bullish signs. And this will be where you should just sit in cash or just open swing short positions and enjoy the bear market. Where it is. So yes, as I said, for me it would be perfect to still see some corrections, see some um, consolidation. The longer we're below the $100,000, the better it is for us. It means the bear market will not come now. I hope you understand what I mean, what I want to tell you all this 46 minutes in this video. Yeah, so what about altcoins? Let me check just quickly. Like you bought some altcoins. Okay, let me go to altcoins that I shared already. For example, let's talk about this one. It's just an example. Okay, so what we can see, we had this long correction, right? And right now this coin, as most coins, came to this 200 TMA or 100 TMA on a daily time frame. And right now there are a lot of resistance zones for every coin that looks like this. So what do? We just put Fibonacci from this high to this low. Okay, what do we have? Like this trade idea, I gave it on Discord, and currently we are in profit as on leverage, as on spot, because I shared both. And we already took first take profit, right? So what would I do right now? Most probably this coin will continue going up towards to this area, and this area, that's why I have this take profit on spot position 31. We have 0.5 on Fibonacci, and this one. Maybe the price will not come to 0.75. Maybe it will come to 0.618 and will start showing bearish signs already somewhere here. So something like this, and it will do something like that. This is where you should look for swing short positions. This is one trigger. Another is, of course, we should check what is doing SP500, what is doing Bitcoin, what is doing Bitcoin dominance. I already showed you so many things, and you should already be able at least to understand how the market is working, you know, where to pay attention. So when the price comes somewhere here, you should not be a moon boy and say like, oh, we will keep pumping. If, for example, Bitcoin dominance is turning into a bullish trend, and USDT dominance turning into bullish trend, you know, you should be careful, and you should book profit somewhere here and move your stop loss, of course, to break even. Of course, if we see on weekly, for example, because still these are altcoins, you know, and altcoins can do things that sometimes technical analysis doesn't work properly. And on weekly time frame, like currently, I see that most probably we will see a breakout of this zone. And most probably this coin will come to this previous high. Okay, so if I gave the coin here, so probably it will do 100%. And then from here, it will start its correction. So something like this. And then from here, it will give another, I don't know, 40% of dump and will come to this lows, back to this lows, you know, because this is how altcoins work. This is how they act. And just look at the history. So that's why I say book profits, move stop loss to break even, so you are secured, you know. And we can see right now a lot of coins like this. For example, this one. Okay, I was giving this spot levels in Discord, and I still expect that this one, after maybe some just a little bit of correction, will still come to this levels to take this highs, where we can start looking for swing short positions. Okay, so I will just take this area, because here we had previous high, here we had previous high, and so far, if we just look at the history, the price never managed to hold above this area, or in this green box. So this is where I would just set limit orders to short. It means that you should not just put all your money to swing short this coin. Just open with 0.5% from your portfolio, then add some more. Like if you see that the price is showing strength towards the bearish trend continuation. Okay. Yeah. What else? Just want to give you some examples. This coin, Link, I was expecting it to come just a bit lower. I have these limit orders, and for now I will still keep them. I have this strong resistant area, and actually, if you go just to my channel, you can see that I was already talking about Link in this video, so you can watch it again. Okay, so for example, Link may pump, like right now, it shows more strength, and most probably it will come to one of these levels, and maybe it may do even a fake pump towards to this area. Let me see if we have something here. Yeah, towards to this area, this previous high, and this is where we can look for a swing short positions. Okay, of course, if we have a bearish signs from SP500, Bitcoin dominance, and so on. Like I just don't want to tell about this 100 times. So yeah, just go to every coin and yeah, Litecoin. I have these two areas. We may see bearish reaction from here, for example. TM. No, I don't see anything special right now. Okay, Aave. Aave, for example, currently it looks strong. Let me just put Fips and see if we have something. For example, Aave, we have here 0.75. Okay, it may reject from this area, for example. No, not that color. Okay, so it can pump, it can give another 40% of pump and reject somewhere here. Okay, and if we want to see, for example, 667 or above 600, in this case, our should close with the monthly candle above 511. Okay, this case, after some retest, it may continue going up. Oh, sorry. So this is a small tutorial for you, like what to do right now. Of course, altcoins, they look more bullish on a weekly time frame. Even near looks really good. So it is just a small tutorial for you, like what to do right now, like how long you should keep your longs or how long you should keep your spot positions, and when you should start like selling, So when we will have another drop, it should not be a surprise for you. This one, did I give it? I don't remember. This one also good, for example. It can come to here, at this area, and reject, or here and reject. But still, even if it gives us another like 60%, it's good, right? So we may have a 60%, 55% of pump, and for example, another like 30% of dump. It's in the best case. So yeah, let's see how this month will close, what we'll have next week. For example, Sol was giving these levels, it can come to this area, just a bit higher than previous high, and reject. Same stuff what happened, for example, here. See, it made this high, rejected, did the previous high and rejected. So we will see how the price, what will RSI show, how the price will react here, what will Bitcoin do, SP500 do, and so on. I hope you're not confused about the things I said. I hope you understand where to pay attention. Like, I hope you understand that every weekly close right now for us, it's really important. And yeah, let's see what will happen this month. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, I would like to see your likes. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in Discord or write comments here, but I don't see them often. So yeah, and if you want, you can always join to my Discord community. Thank you for watching, and yeah, have profitable days and weeks, and see you next time.